everyone, welcome to Indexing and Slicing with Strings coding exercise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to implement indexing and slicing operations using strings. To start with, we are first going to declare the string. And then we are going to access the character of the string at the fourth index. As you can see that the string starts with the 0th index, which means the character C is at the 0th index, and the character 4, it gives A, which is there at the 4th index. Next operation is the slicing operation. Slice has a format which starts with start index, stop index and step. It basically returns a sliced object containing elements in the given range. To start with, we are going to first declare the string. And then we are going to slice the string by giving the relevant indexes. So you can see that my string starting from 1 to 5 and with step 2, which means every alternate character. This is the output of it, A and T. In the same way, we can use slicing to reverse a string. So as you can see that my string Captain America has been reversed. Thank you for watching this video.